Hi guys, today got this EASYLONGER ES4000 and air energy storage unit, which has a DC output, a high capacity. You can use it with a USB Type-C with the output. It got a 12 volts cigarette lighter output like those of your cars, and you can charge it with the with a solar panel. It doesn't come included, but it's a nice option. Okay. This is the different way to connect it with the cigarette lighter and DC cable converter to the battery pack, or directly for a DC port. Okay, so it's really nice. Let's see the cables first. We've got the charger, different cables for different occasions. As you can see, it's quite nice to have all these options at hand, and already included. And in here we've got the user manual. It has a LED display that tells us the power, the voltage that it's getting into the battery, and the voltage that it's exceeding. Okay, so that's the proper battery. Have a compartment in here, and you can have it around your belt with this clip. Here it is. Okay. It's perfect to go camping, stuff like that. You can even bring it with you on the plane, which is really nice. And as you can see, here it is. Okay, this is the LED display. It has around 75% of battery, which is nice. It's very sturdy. And in here we got the zero lighter exit. And in here we've got all the other ports, the USB port, the Type-C port, and the DC port. It can be used in or out. Okay, so I think I can charge my Nintendo Switch with this. I'm gonna go get it and test if it works. I've got it right here. As you can see, it's completely dead. So I'm gonna use the cable that comes included, the USB A to Type-C, charge it. It's very well made. I like a lot of quality, and what is nice is that you can use it while you are charging it. Okay, so you can charge your devices and charge the battery pack at the same time. And as you can see, it has a lightning that it's working. Let's give it a few seconds till it turns on. As you can see, it gave enough power till it turns on. It's on 1%. It's gonna be charging, but it's really nice that you get this while you go camping, stuff like that, so you don't run out of battery, which is excellent, and that you can bring it with you everywhere. So I will really recommend it. It's perfect for any occasion that you have needed.